In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy with an instruction to supplier on 1688 China shopping app without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So without being said, let's start the tutorial and see step by step. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to our 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. All right, having opened up 1688 shopping app, so if you take a look at these items right here, it was black and red. In a situation whereby you need only red color, and then you want to add the item to cart. One thing you want to do is that you need to first of all add the item to cart. For you to add item to cart, click on here. Now you can see when I'm about to add the item to cart, what we have right here is black and red. But in this regard, I need only red color in 2 pieces. How do you do that? So one thing you need to do is that first thing first, you have to add the item to cart. For you to add the item to cart, just make sure you add the quantity first. So I was able to add 2 quantity right here. Now for you to finally add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here. Now the item has been successfully added to cart. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. Make sure you click on here to visit your cart. So right here you can see the item in my cart right here. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on here to select the items. Having selected the item, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. So we still have black and red, but in this regard, I need just 2 red. Now, for you to do this, you have to leave a message for the supplier so that they will not give you a wrong items that you don't need. So for you to do that, first thing first, you need to make sure you have Google Translate on your phone. If you don't have Google Translate on your phone, it's just a free app. You can head over to your Google Play Store and download, then install it on your phone. So I'm going to launch it straight up. Having opened up your Google Translate, next thing you want to do is to make sure this section here is in English, while this one here is in Chinese character. Now I will make sure I type in, please, I need red color, 2 pieces. Then thank you. It's as simple as that. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to copy this text. Having copied the text, I will have to head over back to my 1688 right here. So this is where we are going to paste the text. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'll make sure I paste this text. Having pasted the text, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to continue. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. You can see right here that the payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to close the pop-up. Then I need to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, then the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see by preview right here, we still have black and red. But with the help of the instruction where we are able to leave when we are trying to check out and make payment for the item, the supplier will be guided and send only red color that we choose. So this is how to buy from supplier in a situation whereby you find it difficult to differentiate from the item. So this is the best way to do it so that you don't get a wrong item when you make a purchase from the supplier on 1688. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to be your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.